5 different rules when you have to degree an adjective. The first one is being used about a word with only one syllable. When a word only have one syllable, you have to add er or est. For example, taller, bigger, fatter, and tallest, biggest, fattest.
Rule number 2 and 3 are about words with two syllables. To degree words with two syllables, you had to use more or most, for example, more important or more expensive. But if the adjectives ends with the y, er, le, or ow, then you have to use er, est to degree the adjective. For example, with happy, then you have happy, happier, happiest.
Finally, adjectives that have more than two syllables and do not end on ow, er, le, or y decline with more and most. And an example of it could be talented, more talented, or most talented. Interesting, more interesting, and most interesting.